Hello everyone! Karon magluto ta og potato puffs. First, atong i-boil ang 3 large nga potatoes. Atong i-boil for 30 minutes. Dayon, after 30 minutes, atong kuhaon and atong i-mash. Atong gamiton is tinidor lang. After mashing the potatoes, mag-add ta og 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Dayon, powdered pepper. Mix. Knead until it smoothened. I-roll. Dayon, i-slice into cubes. Butangan po na to og giring-giring. Charan! Let's add oil sa ato ang lutuanan. Deep fry into medium heat until it is golden brown. Charan! Naanatay potato puffs. Thank you for watching. Happy eating and see you on the next one. Bye!